To create and send a PayPal invoice link, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the Invoice section. Here you will find the option to create a new invoice. Click on this option and enter the recipient's email address, as well as the invoice details such as the amount, description, and due date. You can also add multiple items to the invoice if needed. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, review the invoice to ensure everything is accurate. Next, click on the Send button to generate the invoice link. PayPal will then send the invoice to the recipient's email address, where they can click on the link to view and pay the invoice. As the sender, you can also copy and paste the invoice link into an email or messaging platform to send it to the recipient manually. It's a good idea to keep a record of all your invoices, including the date sent, amount, and payment status. This will help you keep track of who has paid and who still owes you money. When creating a PayPal invoice, make sure to include all the necessary details, such as your business name, address, and contact information. This will help the recipient verify the invoice and ensure they are paying the correct person. By following these steps, you can easily create and send a PayPal invoice link to your clients or customers, making it simple and convenient for them to pay you online. PayPal invoice links are a secure and reliable way to request payments, and they can be used for both personal and business transactions. Whether you are a freelancer, small business owner, or just need to send a one-time payment request, PayPal invoices are a great option. Overall, creating and sending a PayPal invoice link is a quick and easy process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By using PayPal invoices, you can streamline your payment process and get paid faster.